What if a robot had a synthetic brain that understood physics? Today on AI News, I'm breaking down 5 features behind Zaba's physics-based AI that's changing automation, plus what it can do in the real world. But first, most people think robots are the expensive part, but 75% of costs come from programming and reprogramming when something shifts. But Zaba fixes this by embedding physics intelligence into machines with the combination of 5 separate engineering breakthroughs. Number 5 is scalable high-mix automation. Small batches, changing parts, and tight timelines were always too complex to automate, but Zaba solves this by embedding process knowledge into the machine, replacing static code that fails when conditions change. Number 4 is legacy robot repurposing. Watching this robot's cables being connected, this is the point. Manufacturers don't need new hardware. Zaba's physics AI plugs into existing robots like a synthetic brain, eliminating custom fixtures and modernizing lines without replacing machines. Number 3 is autonomous parameter control. The operator defines the objective and the system takes over. It adjusts motion, acceleration, pressure, force, and depth of cut all on its own. So these DIMs are assembled with zero manual retuning being involved. Number 2 is real-time physics modeling. Instead of rigid pre-coded paths, Xcognition models voltage, amperage, forces, motion, acceleration, material behavior, and constraints through a live physics engine. Watching this weld laid down, the robot isn't just following a script. Instead, it's solving physics in real time. And finally, number 1 is production validated results. In data center and server assembly automation, Zaba reduces automation deployment time by up to 80% and enables the same robotic cell to adapt to new specifications within a single day, with no retooling or reprogramming required. And in collaborations with Hitachi, Lease SPA, Five Synetic, and other global manufacturers, Zaba is redefining the role of AI in industry.